thenga. So uma sifunda lencwadi liqala ngokuthi indlenkulu kukhona izitsha. Khona lokhu, khona lezi, khona lezi, khona lezi, khona lezi, khona nalezi futhi. Kodwa they all have a common purpose yokuthi zizokhonzisa. Kodwa i-trick isekutheni ukukhonza kwabo nokukhonzisa kwabo akufani. Lezi zegolide zinikezwa ama-special guest. Sabona nathina emakhaya ethu lesitsha asiphumi nanoma kanjani. Kuba khona isikhathi where it's reserved for special guests or if ufike indwendwe angisho kanjani. Kodwa lesi ngithola ukuthi ngisho noma ngenza i-breakfast ngiyakwazi ukusebenzisa it's common use kusona. Okusho ukuthi nakuNkulunkulu sivela kanjalo. In that respect also sithe asifanani kuNkulunkulu sathi sihlukene ngakwama-value. Kodwa uNkulunkulu ufisa sibe igolide. Izwi mingabe silifunda I think verse 21 lithi we need to be profitable. I think amplified kusho njalo. So which means zonke lezitsha kumnini, the owner of the house, zama assets. I-assets ngokwe accounting isho into eyakho efanele ikulethele inzuzo. If isingayikulethela inzuzo, it's regarded as scrap. So every year, each and every company kuba khona a certain percentage where it's considered as scrap. Lapho kusho ukuthi ibhizinisi lilahlekelwe imali ngento adifanele ibasize kodwa ayibasizanga. So ngalokho uNkulunkulu isibizela ekutheni uma usufikile endlini kaNkulunkulu yiba usizo. It's well and good ufikile sabonga ubukhona bakho, but be kingdom minded ekutheni uma usufikile eNkulunkulu nyakaza. Ngimthandile uBhuti Mayabane mengabesho ukuthi lokho ikhono onalo sebenzisa lona. It's not everyone ozophatha i-mic. Ngiyafisa ukusho lokho kwi-generation yethu yokuthi uNkulunkulu akafuni abantu abama-impression ukuthi we are trying to make an impression. But uNkulunkulu ufuna ukushiftela endaweni ethi we need to have impact nasikhona. Be it esontweni, be it ola ufunda khona, akubonakali kube khona umehluko uma sekufike usibusisiwe. So ngalokho uPaul uyamyala ekutheni uNkulunkulu noma kwenzeke ebandleni sengenile ebandleni ekutheni kakhulunywa abantu bakhuluma ilokho kodwa wena maintainer iposture yokuthi uyisitsha esihloniphekeleyo. Amen bazalwane. So ngalokho umnikela